Out in the heart of Australia, where the land stretches endlessly and the ground hides billions of dollars worth of minerals beneath its surface, there exists a machine that doesn't just work the earth, it dominates it. This machine is not a myth, not a concept, but a living legend of the mining world. Its name is Liebherr T 282b. In the unforgiving mining landscapes of Western Australia, where temperatures soar, dust storms roll in without warning, and productivity decides profit or loss, the Liebherr T 282b stands tall as a symbol of raw power, engineering brilliance, and industrial reliability. Born to be a giant, the Liebherr T 282b was not built for ordinary jobs. From the very first sketch, engineers at Liebherr knew they were creating something extraordinary. This was a machine designed to move mountains, literally. With a payload capacity of approximately 363 tons, the T 282b instantly earned its place among the largest haul trucks ever created. When fully loaded, it carries more material in a single trip than dozens of standard trucks combined. In mining operations, that means fewer trips, lower operating costs, and unmatched efficiency. But size alone does not make a legend. What truly sets the Liebherr T 282b apart is how intelligently that size is controlled. Power that never backs down. At the heart of the Liebherr T 282b lies a massive diesel-electric drive system. Instead of relying on traditional mechanical transmissions, this dumper converts engine power into electricity, which then drives electric wheel motors. This system delivers smoother power delivery, lower maintenance requirements, exceptional torque at low speeds, superior performance on steep mine gradients. In the harsh Australian outback, where steep ramps and heavy loads are part of daily life, this electric drive gives the T 282b a clear advantage. It climbs with confidence, descends with control, and performs shift after shift without compromise. Designed for Australian conditions, Australian mines are among the toughest in the world. Extreme heat, abrasive dust, long operating hours, and remote locations demand machines that are not just powerful, but reliable. The Liebherr T 282b was engineered with these exact challenges in mind. Heavy-duty cooling systems to handle extreme temperatures. Reinforced structural components for constant heavy loads. Advanced filtration systems to protect critical components from dust. Robust suspension designed to absorb massive impacts on uneven terrain. This dumper doesn't just survive Australian conditions, it thrives in them. The operator's command center. Climbing into the cab of the Liebherr T 282b feels less like entering a truck and more like stepping into a control tower. Every detail is designed around the operator. The cab offers excellent all-round visibility, ergonomically placed controls, advanced monitoring displays, climate control for long shifts, reduced vibration and noise levels. In Australian mining operations, operators often work long shifts under intense conditions. Liebherr understood this and designed the T 282b to reduce fatigue and increase productivity. A comfortable operator is a focused operator, and a focused operator keeps operations safe and efficient. Safety without compromise. Safety is non-negotiable in Australian mining, and the Liebherr T 282b reflects that philosophy at every level. Key safety features include advanced braking systems for loaded downhill control, redundant systems to ensure reliability, fire detection and suppression systems, high-strength dump body design, stability systems to handle uneven loads. Every movement of the T 282b is calculated, controlled, and protected. This dumper is built not just to move material, but to protect lives. Efficiency that drives profit. In modern mining, efficiency equals profitability. The Liebherr T 282b plays a critical role in reducing cost per ton. Thanks to optimized fuel consumption, reduced maintenance downtime, high payload efficiency, long service intervals, mining companies across Australia rely on the T 282b to keep production targets on track. One truck doing the work of many means fewer operators, fewer machines, and lower overall costs. A workhorse of mega mines. From iron ore operations in Western Australia to large-scale open-pit mines across the globe, the Liebherr T 282b has proven itself time and again. It works day and night. Through heat, through dust, through pressure. It doesn't complain. It doesn't slow down. It simply delivers engineering that earns respect. What makes the Liebherr T 282b truly special is not just its size or power, but the respect it commands on site. Operators trust it. Engineers rely on it. Managers plan operations around it. It is a machine built on decades of experience, tested under the harshest conditions, and refined through real-world feedback. Legacy of a mining icon. Even as newer models enter the market, the Liebherr T 282b remains a benchmark. It represents an era where engineering focused on durability, strength, and real-world performance. In Australian mining history, the T282B stands as a reminder that true greatness is not about trends, it's about reliability, consistency, and results. Conclusion: more than a machine. The Liebherr T282B is not just a dumper truck. It is a backbone of modern mining, a symbol of industrial power, a giant that reshaped how the earth is moved. In the vast Australian outback, where the land is tough and the work is harder, the Liebherr T282B continues to prove one thing: when the job is massive, only a true giant can handle it.